If you're planning to update your TV or smart home system, just wait a little longer because the updated Apple TV 4K and HomePod Mini should be hitting store shelves soon. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. In the latest Power On newsletter, Mark Gurman said the hardware for Apple TV 4K and HomePod Mini has been done for months and is even being actively used by Apple employees in its Cupertino campus. The last big update to the Apple set-top box came through a 2022 refresh that introduced the A15 Bionic chip and more storage space. Considering it's the same chip that's on the iPhone 14, the Apple TV 4K from 2022 could lag behind some modern options, like the Google TV Streamer or Roku Ultra. So it's about time Apple upgrades the system. As for the HomePod Mini that came out in late 2020, it only received a cosmetic upgrade with a new midnight colorway in July 2024. Now, Gurman reported that Apple might only be refreshing the devices with its latest chips, so we shouldn't expect any new features or changes to the design. However, Gurman added that there is a chance that the Apple TV 4K's remote may see a minor change. For those waiting to upgrade either their Apple TV 4K or HomePod Mini, you can blame Apple's rocky launch for its updated Siri with Apple Intelligence. According to Gurman, these two smart home devices were supposed to launch alongside the new Siri and had to be pushed back for many months. Now that the overhauled Siri is expected to roll out in the fall, Apple's refreshed set-top box and mini smart speaker could be another way for Apple to show off Siri's improvements. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.